right now on Hurricane Alex. Right now it's moving. It is hit landfall down in Mexico, maybe heading up towards Texas. This is breaking news right now. A Category 2 storm just hit landfall.
It's in an unpopulated area.
And it is also in an unpopulated area.
Not expected to do much damage to people.
Not expected to do much damage
to people or property.
To people or property. Yeah. And the Atlantic satellite right now, as you can see, right now there's more storms. The whole thing is actually reached more down to Africa. The whole thing all spinning in a circle, the Africa satellite. This is much breaking news right now. The Africa satellite.
The first named storm of the season.
The first named storm of the season right now. If you can take a look.
Started as a tropical storm and now is a hurricane.
Starting as a tropical storm is actually now a hurricane.
Category 2. Category 2. Okay.
Yes, and also again Category 2. You can see it's reaching more out to Africa. I'm not sure if it's actually gonna stay there because that's actually, pretty sure that's where the tropical storm actually started. You can see it's moving straight down that way, going in a circle. That way, going that way down there. So if you look at the Mexico satellite, you're gonna see that Mexico satellite. It's right now just crossing the Mexican border. Unpopulated area. As you can see, right in there's the eye of the hurricane, hitting landfall right now. It's either going to go up near Texas.
It's almost 10 o'clock Eastern time.
And then it's also almost 10 o'clock Eastern time. Wednesday night here in actually June 30th in Union County here in Charlotte, North Carolina. Hitting landfall right this minute, pretty sure. And that's actually going to be it for our breaking news on Hurricane Alex. So thank you very much. I was Ari F, and your breaking news on Weatherman Studios weather. You can find everything on YouTube.